Meaning of geodesic dome.
Geodesic dome.
Geodesic dome.
Geodesic dome.
Geodesic dome. A geodesic dome is a spherical structure made up of interconnected triangles. The first geodesic dome was designed by Arthur Buckminster Fuller in the 1940s, and since then, this architectural form has gained popularity for its strength, efficiency, and versatility. Geodesic domes are known for their ability to distribute stress evenly and withstand strong winds and earthquakes. They have been used as homes, greenhouses, exhibition spaces, and even as venues for concerts. The geodesic dome is a unique and innovative architectural design that continues to inspire and captivate people around the world.